Here at Port Kembla we have 7WB3. The leading loco is NR98, followed by NR67, NR74 in the Ghan livery, 8215 and 8216. So this is being diverted tonight. Hi everyone, it's Michael here from Michael's Trains Vlogs. We're at Unanderra for diverted trains at Unanderra Part 2 in Vlog 63.
Hi everyone, welcome to Michael's Trains Vlogs.
I'm here with DexCorp81, so make sure you subscribe to him. The signal has changed to green. That means 7WB3 is coming. There's my tripod there. And the leading loco will be NR98. So I'll see you when it comes. And we have 7WB3 coming, but past platform number 1. The leading loco is NR98. Thank you. And that's going to Brisbane. Came from Port Kembla, it's going to diverted train. Let's go. Alright, there's 9833 supposed to come as well, so I'll see when that comes. As you can see, the signal is green again, so that means 9833 is coming. We got 9833 about to pass platform number 1. Has an 81 class leading. $81.77 leading. 81.58. Jesus Christ! That scared the living crap out of me. Bloody hell. That's the train end. That's the Pacific National Ore train from Port Kembla to Unanderra.
My memory card didn't get locked that time.
Let's go. Right in our and done it right in our faces.
Bye everybody.
See ya. Alright guys, I'm here at Unanderra. I just got here. 9930 is waiting in the tracks. And it has 4 locomotives leading it. So I'll see you when that departs. There's also 9138 coming very soon, so I'll see you when that comes. 9138 is coming, I just heard it blow the horn. So just going up Farnborough Heights and by the Southern Highlands, I'm assuming it has quad 81s. It's coming. Yep, there it is. I think. Yeah, it has an 81 class leading. Over here. So the driver can see me. running a couple hours late. It's currently just after 2:15. Looks like it has quad 81. Oh, I was right. And the signal has changed, so I'm assuming it's gonna go into the Coniston Triangle and switch around there. .8174 leading. And that's going to Port Botany via the Southern Highlands. So it's going to come back through Unanderra. Cool beans. Now 9930 is leaving. Not even a minute after the container train. I'll go up on the bridge so you can see it moving there. ambulance going to Unanderra. So yeah, that was pretty epic. Saw 2 trains today. Anyway guys, thank you for all watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!